Okay, so I did put this up on my shower, and I want you to notice, I can't believe this happened. I was turning it and turning it to get it on with my little vice grips, and it actually cracked. Right here you can see. So yeah, I would give this a 0 out of 5 because I just was going to stop turning it when it, you know, stopped on its own, but it kept turning as I turned the vice grip. And here we are, so yeah, that was worthless.
The shower filter, and I do like that it's gold. That's why I got it. It's a little bit hard to tell. It is more of a yellow gold there. I kind of move it around so you can see. It is brushed, but it's not matte. It comes with the tape and all of these extra filter and everything. So everything you need to install it, and at least it'll look better on my golds. Shower faucet than silver.
That's what it is.